Hey guys, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So I've got just a short little review for you with the holiday season coming up and everything. If you have a wife or girlfriend or just that someone special, I've got just the thing for you right here. I'm going to be doing a little review on what's called the Galaxy Rose. So there's a link in the description where you can find this thing. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get to the review, you guys. Alright, so when this arrived, it came packaged in this box right here. So it's a little pink box with a rose on it. Now it's packaged very well. Completely encased in styrofoam. So two giant wedges of styrofoam inside here. So like this thing was not getting damaged. They could have thrown this off the truck and it would not have broken the packaging. So that's how it came packaged. So definitely high marks on packaging. Alright, so this Galaxy Rose was inspired by the Beauty and the Beast movie originally. So as you can see, it's basically like a little gold rose. And they got some LED lights wrapped around it, and it is literally inside. This is actual glass. So when you see it come up in your feed, like when I first noticed it, I couldn't tell if this was glass or if this was plastic. So I kind of took a risk, ordered the thing, just kind of hoping that it would be as cool as it looked online. And actually it is. It's really cool. So this is glass. The rose is legit. It looks really cool. It's mounted in a wood base, and the LEDs, they're really small LEDs, but they do wrap around the rose and they fully illuminate it. Just give you a little bit closer look at it right there. Now this is lit up with 3 AAA batteries, and they're in the bottom of the base right here. There's a little switch right there. And you can pop this open to get to your batteries, just right there. So as far as construction of the base, this is all plastic, this is wood, but this is actually glass. Alright you guys, so like I said, there's a link in the description where you can find this and purchase it. So it's running, looks like about $37 on the Galaxy Rose website. You can also find it on Amazon. There's a couple of different varieties it looks like this comes in. There's one where I'm seeing a couple of roses together. There's the one where there's the single big rose. And so it just kind of depends on what you think your girlfriend, wife, or significant other is going to like. Alright you guys, so let's get a little bit closer look at this thing, and let's take a look at it with the lights off a little bit. Camera will pick it up a little bit without the lights. A little bit better look at this. How it shines so brilliant. There we go. How pretty that is, you guys. Like if your wife or girlfriend doesn't just melt when she sees that, then I don't know what it would take. Alright everybody, so you're kind of saying, you know, when and where would I give this gift and who to? So this is the perfect gift, not just for like wives or girlfriends. This is something you could give to your mom. This is something you could give to a sister. This is something all the ladies really like and appreciate. This is something great for Christmas, for like anniversary, for Valentine's Day, for birthdays, for a wedding gift, like for bridesmaids, for like pretty much any and every occasion you can think of. So this is kind of like the all-around gift for that lady that you just don't know what to give. All the ladies really like and appreciate this gift right here, the Galaxy Rose. Can't really go wrong with this thing, I'm telling you. So this is one of those things that you know, when you see it online, when it comes up in your feed, it's one of those things where I was like, I just don't know, because I couldn't pick it up, I couldn't touch it, feel it, and actually look at it. But now that it's here, this is something that's actually really cool. So this is something I would give 2 thumbs up for. It's actually worth the cost. When I wrapped it up and gave it to my wife, I actually put batteries in it. I turned it on. I wrapped it up in some paper so it was like this glowing gift under the tree. And I left the paper so I could see the little switch, and I turned it on like an hour before we went out to unwrap presents that Christmas morning. So it was like last year, and so there's this glowing gift under the tree, and she's like, what on earth is that? You know, so it's kind of cool. And she just loved it. Her heart melted. She's a big Beauty and the Beast fan. And yeah, she was just like, oh my gosh, what's this glowing gift? Why is it for me? You know, what on earth is it? So yeah, it is like the best thing ever for her. She's like a little girl all over again. So for the price, totally worth it, you guys. Alright everybody, so hopefully this video has been really helpful. Maybe it's helped you to make a decision on this thing, so when it pops up in your feed now, you can go ahead and hit that button and make that purchase. Be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. Check out these other awesome videos, and I'll catch you later.